How do I scan a large number of documents? The short answer: hire a professional document scanning company that specializes in bulk scanning projects. If your office is overflowing with paperwork, you need an experienced team to help tame your file cabinets. Document scanning reduces the costs of managing paperwork substantially. It also supports green initiatives by saving trees and conserving the energy consumed to convert trees into paper. Bulk document scanning projects convert high volumes of physical records into digital format within a quick turnaround time. Scanned documents can be shared in real time, enhancing operational efficiency. Bulk scanning is especially critical in document-intensive industries, such as law firms, medical, and financial institutions. Talk to RDS to take your document and data management practice to the next level. Avoid expensive in-house scanning equipment and teams by working with RDS as your document digitization partner. Contact RDS to handle your bulk scanning project today.